Hey guys, welcome back. Today I am making Valentine's Day treat boxes. So this is my smash heart mold that I'm using with some compound chocolate, and I'm just going to melt that according to the package directions. So once the chocolate is nice and melted to about this consistency, you want to go ahead and pour it into your mold. And once it's in the mold, you're gonna gently push that chocolate up along the sides of the mold. So this is a very important step because when you're pulling this heart out of the mold, it tends to break along the sides. So you want a thicker layer on the sides and a somewhat thin layer on the front, because that's where people will be hitting it. So you don't want it to be super thick. They won't be able to break it. So I'm gonna let this dry for as long as it takes to dry. You'll know it's dry when it's dull instead of shiny. So I'm gonna gently kind of coax the sides away from the chocolate, gently, so you don't break it, and then you'll feel it loosen up, and then you can kind of peel the mold away and you have a cute geometric heart that you can decorate. So I chose to use the Sugar Art Rose Gold Diamond Dust, and I'm just dry brushing that onto my heart. And of course I'll leave a link in the description box so you can pick some up too. And don't forget to use my code ChynaB15 to save 15% off of your purchase. So here we go with the rest of the chocolate. I used the whole bag. I literally used the whole bag except a little bit, so I decided to drizzle that little bit on the side of the heart and add some nonpareils, some white nonpareils to add some detail. So next we're going in with the milk chocolate, and I did the same thing. I literally melted the chocolate to the consistency that I wanted, and I filled my heart, again making sure that the sides were thick and the top of the heart was thin. Now, I forgot to show this step on the other heart, but I did hit the mold against the table to get any air bubbles out of the chocolate. Look at her, she's dry. I can gently, I cannot preface this enough, gently remove the sides, loosen it up a bit before you peel it off. And look at that, a nice milk chocolate heart. So guess what we're gonna turn this heart into? Some butt cheeks, okay? Kids, cover your ears because we are making a thong out of fondant. So I don't know what shape this is. This is a thong shape. I eyeballed it because I've actually seen a thong before. I know how it looks. So I eyeballed this to fit my heart. Don't judge me. I added some stitching with my stitching tool. And then I'm gonna go in with a heart plunger cutter to make some little cute hearts because it's Valentine's Day. I dressed my chocolate heart bottom, and I just left this fondant on for about a day or two to dry before I went in with my white diamond dust. So this comes in a little 2-ounce pump, and it's very convenient. I usually spray my cakes, all of my cakes at the end with this stuff, but I do it outside because it gets everywhere. And we're gonna package these up. So these are 10 by 10 by 2 inch boxes that I use for my treats. And I will also leave that link below. I add some shredded paper at the bottom, a little decorative effect. And you can fill these smash hearts up with anything. I've seen engagement rings and cookies and all types of stuff. So you can either get the items from your client or you can put them in there yourself, and you just cover them up with the heart. Add a mallet. I would suggest a lobster or a crab mallet because those are stronger than the mallets that typically come with these molds. So that's just a pro tip for me. You box it up and have a happy Valentine's Day. So thank you guys for watching. I would appreciate it if you would like this video if you liked it. Thank you if you dropped a comment and subscribe too, and I will see you guys next Wednesday. Bye.